This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cups, specifically these plastic cafe cups. There are two sizes. In the 5-ounce size, we have the black, sea green, and the white. And there's also a 2-ounce size in these square cafe cups that's available in clear. The 2-ounce size is 2 inches across by 2 inches high. And the 5-ounce size is 2.5 inches high by 2.5 inches across, giving you 2 great size options and 4 color options in these fantastic little cups. They're perfect for serving up apps, desserts, or drinks, and they're made of a sturdy and durable plastic. They feature these great rounded square rims for a little bit of style and a wonderful sturdy handle that make them easy to hold and pass to guests. They're a great alternative to paper cups or glass mugs, and there's no need to worry about cleaning up broken glass if someone has an accident, which is fantastic. They're perfect for cafes, coffee shops, bakeries, caterers, and more.